Hey guys, Glumberry Online. How are you? Today's topic, let me find it here, is make money on Facebook. That's what we're going to be doing, making money on Facebook. If you want to learn different ways to make money online, make sure that you hit the notification and subscribe button. Sorry guys, I'm having like a crazy day today. So we did all this work on our website, and we've got like we're fixing our website because they were we have all these websites going all these different places, and we're trying to like make it some sort of sense so there's some kind of flow in our business because we have social media and we have pay per call and we have all this affiliate marketing stuff and we have like affiliate marketing programs. So I'm trying to do it, and it's crazy because I'm like downloading one website and putting it up as a subdomain of another website, but then I have to make sure all the links are still working and like redirect the links that are really have really good juice. Like some sites have like 5 to 15 uh blogs on them, posts on them, but we want to have a certain flow. So we're just anyways. And some of the themes are old, and then you're trying to make it look somewhat congruent. So it's kind of funny. And that's why my hair's like this. I had dark hair this morning, and now it's falling out in gray. Now, anyway, so how do you want to make money on Facebook? Now, I don't recommend using Facebook that much. There's way better ways to make passive income and build a business, but if you want to learn how to make money fast on Facebook, you can. It takes a lot of your time. It's not set it and forget it, and you can risk getting your account shut down, that kind of thing. But if you don't care about that, if you just want to like try to get some affiliate sales going, it's simple to do, and I can show you a couple techniques that are gonna get you not blocked. Although even when you sometimes do the right thing, you can still post too fast or too many times the same thing. So you get restricted and stuff like that. But you know what? That's part of marketing online. That's how it goes. All right, let me open up my Facebook here so you can see. Oh, they've got a new design. Where am I? Okay, guys, this is Facebook. Now, how do you think you're gonna make money here? Let me get rid of this one window here. Basically, you want to disrupt someone's flow and you want to get in front of them with an offer. The hard thing is like the way that Facebook keeps changing the algorithms. It's like you got to work so hard to keep attracting new people, that it's a tough game. Or else you kind of get, and this is sad because it's actually making people totally polarized, is that you kind of get what you like and you keep getting that more and more, so you kind of keep getting pigeonholed into whatever your interests are, your likes are. And that's kind of sad actually, because you start only seeing the news that you want to see, and you don't really get to broaden your mind and see other sides of the coin. You actually only see one side of the coin, so it can get really tough. I recommend using a page and groups. So if you see on my Facebook page, I did do a video today talking about, is Facebook the right place for your business? But guys, mainly I post about, like, this was taco dinner the other night. My girl said she wanted shreddies, so she's like, I got it already. My wife and I went out for a fabulous dinner for our 10-year meeting anniversary the day after Valentine's. And this is one I shared from before, pancake hearts. It's just social media. It's just my kind of my life, right? It's not a lot of my life. I don't like to spend a lot of time on here. But my sales page, my business page, which I'll run some ads from here, and I oh oh thank you. that's one of that's one of my landing pages, guys. I do have a landing page on. So do you want to see that? Want to see that? This is how you get leads every day, guys. You have this on your Facebook. I get leads every single day with having this. If you want this landing page, I can share it with you. I'll put a link to this. Go sign up, and I'll share that landing page with you. And if you want to see where it was just on my, it was just a free gift to you. So this is my work page, right? So this is where I post all my YouTube videos. And then from here, I tend to share out my YouTube videos into the spammy groups. And that's all I do. I'm not really worried about, um, I'm not worried that worried about Facebook, because to be honest, guys, I used to rely on it so much. A lot of my business now comes from my blogs, comes from my YouTube, from this. I changed direction because I was too tired. I was so tired of spending so much time just chatting with people on Facebook and just wasting time, as opposed to, like, because it's fleeting, right? You chat with someone online. Here's a video I just did. This is yesterday's video. Some live, some social media. This is a social media test. We're running some agency tests right now. Spend so much time, and then, but that's gone. All that energy that was put into getting that person to sign up, it's done once, and it only lasted one time, right? So I was thinking, well, this isn't passive income, this is active income. I'm working every time I'm trying to do this. So how do I go make passive income? So it's like, go make blogs, go make YouTube videos where people are constantly searching, that stay there forever, and they're going to find it. You're going to find like 12 things that will make you rich. Someone types in, hey, what are the 12 things that make you rich? Boom, someone goes, finds me on YouTube. They're like, oh, I like what Glenn is talking about. Goes into the description below, and there's a link to my opportunity. That's the power of passive income. But you guys want to know how to make money on Facebook. So the first thing you're going to do, go find, again, if you guys want this page, just I'll put a link in the description. So the first thing you want to do, go get a Clickbank offer. Find something that you like, right? You guys know how to do this. Sign up for an account. This is my favorite one, or JVZoo, or Warrior Plus, or whatever you want to do. Go to find an offer, right? And you guys know how to do that. You can check out my other videos. I'm not going to get into it. But what I recommend doing is going over to your Drive, your Google Drive, and creating a document that has that link in it, right? So this is basically one I did for Clickbank commission, right? Our clients have earned 3.5 billion. It's your turn. So this is just a little thing. So instead of sending them my direct link, I'm sending them, I will send them this once I have a conversation with them on Facebook. I'm not going to go post this as just spam on Facebook. I'll post something in a group, like, I'll go to internet marketing opportunities. So here's one of those groups, right? So I'll go in here and I'll post something like, who would like to earn their very first commission in the next 24 to 48 hours? Something like that, right? Just a curiosity post, right? Commission, let's make sure it's spelt right. And then we'll make, who would like to earn, capitalize that, their very first commission in the next 48 hours. And I'll put some emoji. I'll put it on, this is my favorite one to use. I always use a cactus background. The dark cactus. I like that one. It just stands out. And then around commission, I'm going to put a little emoji. Money emoji. Right? Little flame. Maybe who would like to earn their very first commission in the next 24 to 48 hours? Type me. I know Facebook says not to do this. Who knows? Maybe Facebook will restrict me. But anyway, so I would just do something like that. Maybe I'll move this emoji down here. right? And I'll just post that. So basically, guys, that's all I do. And then when someone starts replying, I would then I would message them direct. I would go in when they put a comment and go, and when they type me, right? You want to basically type, please click on my profile and send me a message. I have these short links set up, guys. If you don't know how to do short text, it'll save you a ton of time typing. So just go Google how to do it. So please click on my profile and send me a message. That's what I'm going to say to anyone that responds to this, right? So if someone's going to respond to that, I'm going to do it. And then when they send me a message, I'll probably ask them a question. I won't just send them a link either. Like, hey, this is another message I always ask. Are you currently promoting a home-based or online business, right? Or I'll be like, awesome, right? I'll write awesome and then something like something, that kind of thing. And then I will basically start talking to these people, kind of thing. And that's it. That is kind of the simplicity of doing it. And then of course when you want to share this, you just go in here and you basically share the link. You can copy that link, you can shorten it and that kind of thing. So that's basically it, guys. And you can get these commissions. Now let me get back on here. That is basically the easy way to do it, right? And that's how to make money on Facebook. Now you're going to spend time. You're going to be posting that in a lot of groups, and you want to be careful. You don't want to say the same thing, so you're going to say one thing. You're going to keep typing these different things and doing different stuff, right? Because you don't want to be posting, cut and pasting the same thing. It's just Facebook will go, no, don't do it. I would recommend only doing 5 groups and waiting an hour, do another 5 groups, wait an hour, do another 5 groups. You can do some more on your phone if you're on your phone. But that's it. And just wait for people to respond, and then you got to stay on there and you just got to text them. And that's the way to do it. Now, if you want to make real good income and way less basically work like that, it's more like you're going to get residual income. Click on the link, the first link below, check it out. Go through our little business challenge that we have there. I think it costs you $7 to do it, and you will see exactly how to run a real affiliate marketing business where you have a real business and not just some make money on the side. This is great for making some extra cash on the side, but when you want to make a real business, you want to have real landing pages. You want to have autoresponders before you send them off to your Clickbank offer or whatever. In fact, you know what I'll do is I'll give you that link, but right below it, I'll give you a bonus. I'll give you it's a funnel that actually promotes, I think it's 9 or 10 different Clickbank products in there, and all you have to do is put in your username and you basically share it with people. They sign up, they go through the process. You'll make a commission on every product that is in there. You can make a commission on. It's like basically you make a commission on this. It's awesome. So I'll put that in there as well. So hopefully, guys, this is helpful for you. 13 minutes. All right, I gotta run. I'll talk to you later, man. Cheers. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell so you get notified.